Hey, what's up everyone? Today I gonna teach you how to make your first deposits and withdraw on block option. Alright? Using two methods that I like so much. Binance Pay and TRC20. That means USDT. Alright? Guys, first of all, don't forget, when you create your account on block option, it's very important for you just click on the profile and verify your account. Okay? You need to select your first name, last name, email, phone, date of birth, alright? And use passport or drive license to verify your account for you be able to make your first deposit and withdrawal. Without that, you cannot do this. Alright? So this is very important. Don't forget to do this. Alright? And the second thing that you need to do is go to this link right now, to the Binance, okay, on the Google, and click on Binance, official website. Alright? And you just click on it, your page will be reloaded and you are able to see your email. On the space right here, you just need to select your email or your phone, alright, the best option for you, and click on the little box and go to the next, alright, for create your account. And after this, just use your best password. Right now, just select your best password, just follow the credentials below, alright, this is very important. For you don't have any mistake about this. Alright? Just select this, choose the best password for you, and click on the next button. Alright? Click on it. Welcome aboard. Your account has been created and linked to your referral ID. Click on the next again. Alright? And wait for this. Right now, guys, on this page, you just need to select your country, alright, and just follow up the information about this. You need to verify your account as well that you verify your account on block option. Okay, it's the same step by step. Using your personal documents, passport, whatever. Okay, don't have any secret about this. When you just have done this, to click on continue and make it step by step to create your account on Binance. Okay? Now, just get back to the broker. Let's perform our first deposits. Just click on the top up, click on the payment method and choose another. Okay? That's very important. And now just wait for this and click on Binance Pay. Alright? Right now, guys, this is very important. The block option released for us this promo code 50START. That's very important for us. That the minimal value to activate this is $50. Alright? And when you just choose $50, you're gonna win $25. If you choose 100, 1,000, you're gonna win 50% on your value. Okay? In my case, I select $50, I'm gonna win a bonus of 25. Click on continue and pay and go ready for this page. On this page, guys, it's very simple. Just make a download your app on Binance on your smartphone and follow this instruction. Okay? There will be a little icon on the right side of the top on the Binance, and just open this and scan the QR code with your smartphone. It's very simple, very fast, and it's very good to perform on this way. Okay, just a moment. All right. Okay, payment was successful. Payment the amount of $50 USD has been made. Click right here and back to the sites. All right, back to the broker. All right, it's amazing. It's our first deposit. By here we have all the information, the transaction, date, amount, payment method. amount of payments, okay? Look at this, all right? And we already got this with $50 with the Binance Pay, all right? Now, I'm gonna show you how to make the same thing but using the TRC20, all right? So let's go to the other methods again. Right here, you can use this option, Tether USDT TRC20. And look this, you already got your $75 or $50 plus the bonus, okay? And let's use this one, USDT Tether TRC20, okay? Guys, I'm not will perform the deposit right now. I'm just gonna show for you as a simulation, all right? Just for you learning how to do this. This is very important, okay? It's the same with the promo code. We're gonna work on this, but as we already used this on the previous deposits, that's not showing for us right now. So $10 is the minimum value for this option. Click on it, and we have this QR code and this text code. Okay, what that you need to do with this? Just click on the copy. Okay, we just gonna copy this one and paste on the Binance, and just memorize this TRC20. Okay, go to the Binance right now. Click right here on this little wallet spot. It's very important. Don't forget to do this. Right now, just follow up to USDT. Okay, click on the 3 points and go to withdrawal. All right. Enter address. This is the space that you need to paste or text code. Right. Right now, let's select network, that is TRX Tron TRC20. All right. And right now, just select the value. But pay attention in one thing, network fee $1. That means for us, that will take a little tax of $1. So I recommend it to, when it just will perform $10, select 11 to perform this, to not make any mistake about this, okay? And don't forget, guys, the option to make deposit using this method is a withdrawal on Binance, all right? Don't forget this, okay? Right now, I'm gonna show you how to perform our first withdrawal, okay? So let's go to do this. Okay, so now let's go, guys. Click on the withdrawal right here. Okay, let's wait. Guys, take a look on this note, okay? When it just earned this $25 of bonus, when you just perform a withdrawal of your $50, you're gonna lose your $25, all right? You're not gonna perform your first deposit and win $25 and use this. You need to let this with your real money and the bonus, all right? So I will try to do this right now just to show for you how to work this, okay? $50, Tether USD TRC20, and right here, we're gonna go to the Binance again, click on the wallet, spot, and right now, we're gonna click on deposit. Okay, USD 3 points deposit. Don't forget, don't make a mistake about this. And right now, we're gonna click on select network TRC20 and just copy this text code. It's the same for deposit, right? And click on continue. Right now, this will send a PIN code for us that you need to click on it to validate and continue, all right? Once you got the PIN code, just enter this number right here, click on continue, all right? Wait a few seconds, And voila! Withdrawal requests have been sent. Your requests have been queued. You will receive the funds within a few business days. This is talk about a business day, but take long for 20-30 minutes in maximum. All right. You can follow up this on history. You can follow up this on notification Binance. This is very simple and very faster. Okay. Thanks so much, guys, and see you on the next video. Hey. Do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.